The scale of this operation is immense. Welcome to the Leopard 2 manufacturing facility, where every vehicle is built with absolute precision. As we move into the main corridor, you'll immediately notice the systematic workflow and precision engineering that defines this facility. Welcome to the Leopard 2 production floor. This facility integrates advanced robotics for steel fabrication and hull assembly, demonstrating unmatched efficiency.
Consignment matches the order. Market received.
Confirmed. Moving the next load to staging area.
All right, bring it down slow.
Easy, easy. Watch the left side.
Looks good, hold it there.
Aligning longitudinal stiffener now. Copy that. Ready for tack weld. Sequence initiated. Robotic arm is clear.
Looks good internally. No subsurface indications.
Visual confirms. Bead profile is within tolerance.
All right, bring her down slowly. Watch the guides.
Pin engaged on the lower left.
Confirmed alignment. Lock the clamps.
The X-ray confirms the geometry. How does the C-scan look on the interface layers?
Overlaying the acoustic map now. Bond quality looks good, well within spec.
We're holding plus or minus 2 microns on the inner race. Confirmed.
The finish pass looks good.
Secure the clamp on the far side.
Position confirmed on the vision port cutout.
Ready for tack weld sequence 1. Full structural welding of the Leopard 2 turret. Automated systems handle the main seams, while certified manual welders tackle the complex interior joints simultaneously.
Reaching 800 megapascals, the intense pressure pre-stresses the barrel wall. This critical process increases
Manufacturing the HSL 354 transmission requires absolute precision. Gears are ground to an exact involute. The steel rims are precisely machined before a molded rubber tire ring is bonded using high-temperature adhesive in this hydraulic press.
Ease it down the last few millimeters.
Pin engaged on my side.
Engage bolts immediately.
Clips 9 through 12 are secured on the floor run.
Copy that.
Mating the X5 connector now.
Torque sequence initiated on fitting 3.
Confirmed.
Specified torque reached. Applying verification stripe.
Stripe verified.
Lifting on my mark. Steady.
Clear. Unit seated. Applying torque now. Check sequence complete. Aligning collimator.
The Perry R17 sight, a sophisticated, gyro-stabilized optoelectronic unit, is fitted into the cupola.
Bring the arm down. Watch the clearance on the left.
Positioning the bolts now. Ready the torque wrench. Torquing sequence engaged. Verified green.
Hold rotation. Bring her down 50 millimeters.
Alignment confirmed. Marks matching.
Contact. Turret seated. All right, bring it down steady.
Clear on the right.
Hold tension. Lower slowly.
Guide it in. We need precise engagement here.
Checking the backlash now. Looks good. Right on specification.
Approaching final position. Maintain angle.
Hooks engaged. Confirmed locked. Commencing torque sequence 1. Clear the area. Pin engaged.
Applying tension now.
Sag is within limits. Secure the lock nut.
Low reading here, 25 microns.
Mark it. We need a touch up on this section.
All right, I'll feather that in now.
Headlamp function is nominal. Check.
Verify the alignment on the main gun now.
Stowage provisions confirmed in the turret compartment.
Reference direction is set. Adjust the primary sight until aligned.
Adjusting primary sight now. Alignment confirmed.
All right, checking the cable penetrations now. Found one. We've got steady bubbling right here. Marking the spot. braking response on the inner track is immediate.
Confirmed. T2 data looks nominal as it transitions to reverse.
The MTU V12 is responding well to the throttle input.
Vibration data is nominal across the spectrum. Suspension's handling the bumps smoothly.
Accelerating hard, the tank reaches maximum speed before the driver initiates emergency braking, showcasing impressive stopping power.
The Leopard 2 demonstrates its mobility on the 60% gradient climb before proving exceptional lateral stability during the
The EMS-15 system successfully acquires the targets, demonstrating unparalleled detection capabilities in complete darkness.
Sierra Bravo 0, this is Alpha Kilo, radio check, over. Alpha Kilo, this is Sierra Bravo 0, reading you 5x5, send traffic. Intercom check, station 3. Alignment verified. Initiate traverse and elevation demonstration now.
Systems operational, calibration confirmed. Signatures complete the acceptance review.
Specialized pneumatic tools are used to punch out the master pin, allowing the track chains to be removed and coiled separately.
Tighten that binder, secure the chain. Let's verify the delivery order against the vehicles staged in row 3.
Sounds good. I show 20 tanks listed on the manifest.
Here are the final acceptance certificates for the Leopard 2 batch.
Verified and signed. We appreciate the transparency during the process.
Thank you. They are now officially transferred.
Tank secured on HET1.
Confirmed. All vehicles, prepare to move out.
Need more argon over here.
Systems are initializing now. Upload looks good.
Aligning the azimuth. Check the display.
I've got a flagged reading here on the side plate, sir.
Confirmed. Minus 15%. Initiate the disposition procedure for engineering review.
We've got a queue building at the welding inspection station on line 2. Get a floater over there now. We need to restore flow balance immediately.
We have a discrepancy on the tariff code for the Leopard consignment.
Hold steady on the ramp. All right, bring the next one up. Is vehicle B secured? Affirmative, B is secured.
Height clearance confirmed at the cupola reference point.
Width dimension verified against the frame.
Configuration compliance confirmed.
These 3 instruments are flagged as approaching due date. We have the recalls scheduled before expiry.
That meets the requirement for AS 9100 compliance.
The laser hybrid welding head combines a high-power laser beam with a mag arc for high-speed armor plate welding, far exceeding conventional methods.
Pressure is raised to 200 bar for the proof test. The engineer confirms no leakage using tissue paper. The system passes and is then successfully cycled.
The acceptance test confirms the system's rapid response, discharging the non-toxic agent to suppress the simulated fire event.
All test results show green indicators, confirming the vehicle is fully compliant.
Very well. The acceptance certificate is signed. Excellent work, gentlemen.
Side elevation confirmed. All required views captured and verified.
Yes, good morning. I'm calling regarding the steel plate consignment on the vessel bound for Bremerhaven. Can you confirm the updated ETA, please?
Maintain a steady travel speed, just like that. Better. Now over here, check the diameter with the calipers. You need to ensure the tolerance is correct.
The data shows a 2-hour queue time at hull inspection.
I propose we rearrange the inspection sequence. That should cut the wait time in half.
Control room, this is gate 4. Package delivery verified.
Copy of that.
The automated measurement program advances, the probe contacting critical surfaces. The data confirms all features are within tolerance.
The acquisition of these Leopard 2 main battle tanks significantly bolsters our strategic defense posture and operational readiness.
Paint thickness at the stowage basket is 0.4 mils, logging the precise location.
Confirmed. Bore side alignment is within tolerance.
Access is much better here. The control is stabilized.
The weld quality is clearly improved. We'll finalize the fixture position based on this layout.
Station 4 is low, it needs adjustment.
From raw steel through hull fabrication, turret assembly, and rigorous testing, we've transformed materials into this.
From tensile strength analysis to elemental composition, our metallurgists optimize the armor steel's microstructure for maximum performance.
Gear measurements are within tolerance.
Certificates confirm the batch specifications. We are clear to approve the consignment.
The technician carefully seats the periscope unit, ensuring the gasket is compressed evenly. The ballistic composite panels are pressed firmly against the hull floor, and the retention washers are tightened to lock each panel securely in place.
As you can see, our CPK is at 1.45, well above the required minimum.
The data certainly supports the capability.
Attention all personnel. The drill is now concluded. All clear. Repeat, all clear.
Each distance confirmed, now cycling elevation.
Hitting the wall here at max elevation.
Noted, record interference at the turret ring.
This T-joint symbol indicates the required fillet weld size and the NDT requirements.
Excuse me, Professor. Why is the weld sequence number applied?
Here's the boring bar assembly. Just need your signature on the pad.
Okay, got it.
The starter motor engages at minus 32 degrees Celsius, cranking the engine against the thick oil.
Look at the dashboard. Steel plates are at 3 days buffer. We need to expedite that shipment immediately.
Understood. I'm contacting the Swedish supplier now. We need that shipment moved up urgently.
This concludes our look at the Leopard 2. It is the culmination of thousands of hours of precision work by dedicated professionals, engineers, and skilled workers.